So there is no timer. Is it recording? Okay, fine. I just yeah.
Okay, guys. Ready.
Welcome delegates. During this session, we are going to discuss on potential topics. We are going to begin this conference by taking roll call. Australia, China, France,
Present and voting.
India,
Present and voting.
Japan,
Present.
New Zealand,
Present and voting.
Russia,
Present and voting.
USA,
Present and voting.
UK,
Present and voting.
UAE.
Present and
According to today's time, I announce simple majority will be 6 and two-third majority will be 7. Here we have our Honorable Chair organizing this conference. Thank you.
Delegates, it's my pleasure to welcome you to United Nations Development Programme 2014. Are there any points on the motion on the floor? Yes, Australia.
I would like to give motion to open speakers list for 5 minutes, giving 1 minute time to each.
That is in order. All those in favor to open speakers list to speak for 1 minute can raise their placards now. All those who oppose. This clearly passes. We will use the speakers list to determine the speakers to discuss first. All those who want to be added in the speakers list, please raise your placards now. USA, Russia, Australia, China, France. USA, you are now recognized to speak for 1 minute.
Good evening, delegates. USA is facing a lot of troubles with the cybercrime. I would like to add this into our discussion today. And this is the primary cause of all the USA citizens. Why? Because we have lost around $200 this year due to cybercrime. Cyberspace is being a hometown for all the criminals, and it is making our country to be in loss. I would also like to add one more issue to be discussed today is about terrorism. Due to terrorism, we have lost many lives, many innocent people's lives in our country. As we all know that, we have faced a big terror of Twin Towers. We have lost so many souls up there. So I would like to keep this into our discussion today. And now I leave it here.
Thank you, delegate. Russia, you are now recognized to speak for 1 minute.
Thank you, Chair. Good evening, delegates. I am here to express my views over cybercrime. Actually, we have in this world, internet users are affecting 12 of the internet users out of which they are affecting to the cybercrime daily. And we need to prevent these things. And another point is that I would like to keep a point like poverty, which is a major threat, which is a major problem in our country. And another problem is like unemployment, which is a major issue in our country to overcome it. I yield to Chair.
Thank you, delegate. Australia, you are now recognized to speak for 1 minute.
Thank you, Chair. And I would like to talk about cybercrime. Nowadays, many countries are facing the problem with cybercrime, and especially Australia are facing the problem with internet attacks, such as identity theft, stealing the passport number and date of birth certificates, like. And there are no measures for this cybercrime. Many countries are facing, and I would like to emphasize, and I hope everyone will concentrate on this issue. Thank you. I will use it.
Thank you, delegate. China, you are now recognized
good evening, delegates, and thank you, Chair, for giving me the opportunity to represent China. Today for meeting, we are representing China looking at issues what China is facing, and I want to represent the plight of middle class. We are facing problems that very much in China, so we are going to talk about that, and another point is imbalance of wealth. In our country, the wealth is very imbalancing, and so we are representing that. And two main issues we are representing in 2005 is about literacy rate and medical facilities in China. These are all four potential issues when represented for China, and all our delegates are talking about cybercrime. But in China, cybercrime is not very good. We are facing that much problem with cybercrime, and I think I will discuss cybercrime. Thank you. And into China.
Thank you, David. France, you are now recognized to speak for 1 minute.
I thank the Honorable Sri for giving me the opportunity to speak. And I address some of the problems which my country, France, is facing, which include unemployment, terrorism, and inflation due to the recent recession. In France, we have adopted many measures to overcome these problems, but we are facing with 35% of unemployment for the youth. And due to the ban of the exports and imports on France, we are facing many economic problems based on inflation and poverty. And then terrorism is one of the major threat which is affecting the secularism of the France. I would seek the help of all the nations to come and help the France, which will be when the France will be very grateful to all the countries and will try to help in all the aspects which you seek our help. Thank you. And I will say.
Thank you, David. So far, we have finished speakers list. Are there any points of the motion on the floor? Yes, India.
Thank you for giving the opportunity. I would like to raise a motion on certain topic on cybercrime.
So this is not. There is a motion to set an agenda to speak on the topic of rules for cybercrime. For this to happen, we need 2 speakers to support of the topic and 2 speakers against the topic. Delegates who want to speak for the topic, please raise your placards now. Delegates who want to oppose, please raise your placards now. Thank you, delegates. India, you are now recognized to speak for 45 seconds.
Thank you, sir. As a viewer of India, I could say cybercrime is a major issue because it's a developing country, India. So I could say here cybercrime rate is very low compared to the other countries. Like if you see in the NCRB, like National Crime Reporting Bureau, it said that 1953 to 2006, the rating is 80% is increasing. So it's like in such a way that cybercrime, cyber stalking, child pornography, many things are there coming to the cybercrime. This is a major issue. So it could be considered this as a major issue. Thank you.
I would like 2 comments for 30 seconds each.
What are the measures for cyber stalking?
Nowadays, internet rating is very more. Everyone using the internet. So everyone using the internet means they are definitely using some credentials like debit cards, credit cards, everything they are through the transactions all comes through the internet. So their cyber stalking is like they are stealing some information or stealing some credentials which are necessary to store the information. All things are very necessary to human, right? So should have this is a major issue.
Thank you.
UK, you are now recognized to speak for 45 seconds.
Thank you, Chair, for giving the opportunity to UK. I would like to address delegates to support on cybercrime on 3 main reasons. So, first, hacking attempt on websites like Intel Police and the education institutes like Oxford and the Stanford universities are been increasing, and it's been a threat for so long years. And when it comes to second point, which is a main point, like the former member of the NULQ has suggested the police department, the FBI, that it's been a penetration of servers of Department of Defense and NASA as well, NASA as well, and the other UK government websites. And when it comes to the third point, which is the main point, which is burning topic in the nowadays world. So in the past years, the cyber criminals have used increasingly powerful tools to hack the software, the websites. So it's been very long years, like from the year 2011 to 2013. It's been a
Your time is
grand.
elapsed. Yes, ma'am. You are now recommended to speak for 45 seconds.
Honorable Sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am really unpleased to participate in this discussion first of all, that is on cybercrime. There are many topics which every country is burning up, like abolition of poverty, food inflation, nuclear treaty. So all these are many main topics to be discussed in this present world. Actually, so if you take the cybercrime, it is a type of topic in such a way that the crimers need to be or wanted to be more advanced than us. So even if you try to abolish, they want to be more advanced. So this cannot be abolished for permanent. This may abolish for the temporary. So it is. I think it's just taking the time to discuss on this issue. Thank you.
Thank you, Delegate. Friends, you are now recommended to speak for 45 seconds.
Thank you, Chair. I don't think cybercrime is a major concern to be discussed right now. It is all waste of time. There are many. I would like to suggest some of the major concerns which took half part of the world, like poverty, which is major concern in central part of Africa, and there are terrorism in the Central Asia, which is uncontrollable, and food scarcity, which is vitamin deficiency in northern parts of Africa. So I think if we could choose one of the topics instead of cybercrime, and I will do the change.
Thank you, Delegate. Are there any points for the motion this time? First, Japan.
I would like to raise motion for moderator caucus on the rules for cybercrime for 5 minutes, giving 45 seconds for each speaker.
That is in order. Delegate from Japan has a motion for moderator caucus for 5 minutes, giving speaker's time of 45 seconds each. All those in favor, please raise your placards now. All those who oppose. This motion passes. We may now enter into 5 minutes of moderator caucus. All those delegates willing to speak on behalf of the topic for 45 seconds, please raise your placards now. Thank you, delegates. Japan, you are now recommended to speak for 45 seconds.
Thank you, Chair. Thank you, delegates. Cybercrime is the major problem in the Japan. As for 2013, $100 are spending on the cybercrime only. And as for the 2013 calculations, 1,33,000 plus attacks are originated from the Japan only. And recently, Japan and US set an agreement on the cyber attacks. In Japan, especially, the new type of cyber attacks is happening by drive-by download. So this is the major problem in the Japan. Please consider and discuss on this cybercrime. Thank you. I yield to Chair.
Thank you. New Zealand, you are recommended to speak for 45 seconds.
Thank you once again, Sir. I'm really proud of being citizen of New Zealand. Actually, the main reason for this is because we are really successful in reducing cybercrime in our country. The first and foremost thing what we have done is allocating the main specialists to every department, such as fraud, making fraud, mail, hacking. So we have allocated every person to this department, and we are really dedicated to what we do. And we are not just allowing any crimers to participate in this crimers, and we are mainly careful about the private data that is being theft by them. So I'm really proud of to say this, and
Thank you, David. UAE, you are now recommended to speak for 45 seconds.
Thank you. Good evening, delegates. Cybercrime is becoming one of the biggest problems the most of the companies facing in UAE. and UAE has become the global hotspot for cyber attacks. As an evidence, one of the oil company in UAE has been hacked, and 85% of its hardware is wiped out. And the recent reports issued by Institute of Chartered Accountants, there were about 1,500 attempts every day to hack its website. And banks are also fighting with 10,000 attacks every day. So I request to implement cybercrime laws to control these cyber attacks. Thank you. I need to check.
Thank you, Delegate. UK, you are now recommended to speak for 45 seconds.
Thank you, Delegate. Thank you, Delegates and Chair. In the past years, when it comes to the mobile and applications like web, are the new frontiers in the war against right now. It is the even most burning topic. According to the top cyber security risk report, that the mobile relieves that SQL injection attacks on web application is being increased right from 15 million to 50 million. It's been a rapid growth in these years. So I request delegates to speak on the cyber. Thank you.
USA, you are now recommended to speak for 45 seconds.
Good evening, delegates. There are a lot of issues that is bothering our country. Cybercrime is being the main issue that is haunting our people. Cybercrime has become the curse to our society. It has affected everybody, like government and every citizen. Because of this cybercrime, it has took a lot of people's identity and have make use of it and have made to improve a lot of criminal activities in our country. So these criminals are really bothering our country, and this been a really hard to it's really hard for us to face this criminality in our society. So it's better to have some laws to control this cybercrime and the criminality. So now I need to chair.
Thank you, Delegate. With that speech, we now come to the conclusion of moderator caucus. Are there any points of the motion on the floor? Yes, Australia.
I would like to raise motion to unmoderate caucus for 5 minutes.
That is in order. Delegate from Australia wishing to have unmoderated caucus for 5 minutes. All those in favor of unmoderated caucus, please raise your placards now. All those opposed? Thank you, delegates. You have 2 minutes. Australia, USA, China, India and Japan will be in one group. UK, UAE, Russia in another one, and New Zealand and France.
So we need to make have information. I need to add these points like
Delegates, please take your seat. step, we may come to a conclusion of unmoderated caucus. Are there any points of the motion on the floor? Yes, USA?
I would like to pass. I would like to pass the draft resolution.
What is in order? There is a motion to introduce draft resolution. Are there any points on the motion on the floor? Yes, Russia?
I would like to raise a motion to set draft resolution question and answer for 10 minutes for draft resolution 1.1.
That is in order. All the delegates wishing to introduce draft resolution and then have question and answers for 10 minutes, please raise up the hands now. All those who oppose. This motion passes. I would invite main sponsors of draft resolution to read operative clause of draft resolution.
After completing the unmoderated caucus and coming with the resolution of Article 16/250, Article B point version 1.1. And we are coming with solutions of 9 resolutions from this, and 12 from China and 3 from UK. And one is, state should ensure that the laws and practice eliminate safe havens for those who criminal misuse information technologies. And second one is, the ecosystem should protect the confidential integrity and accumulation of data and control systems from unauthorized impairment. Yes?
An open and intergovernmental experts group to conduct a comprehensive study of problems of cybercrime and responses to it and its members, the international community and the private sectors, including the exchange of information and national legislation, best practices, technology, technical assistance, and international cooperates with a view of examining options of the strengthening existing and to purpose propose a new national and international legal and other reasons of the cybercrime.
We have come up with some resolutions, and this is raise the funds. We want to raise the funds from worldwide so that we can integrate some technology in this and high-tech geeks worldwide. We want high-tech geeks so that with advanced technology they will control the cybercrime. And we also appoint new departments for this so that we can accumulate all the fruits for that. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sponsors. We now take questions for draft resolution. Are there any questions? Russia.
I would like to add a point like there should be an innovative software product for monitoring these cybercrime issues, and there should be assessment and vulnerability research in the cybercrime parts, and there should be like fraud preventions on the issues which are been occurring in many countries, and there should be some law enforcement on it. Thank you. I yield to Chair.
Friends, you are now invited to ask questions.
My question to the USA. How are you going to adopt the ways to manage the conflicts between the two nations about cybercrime?
That's really good question. Actually, we could manage the cybercrime issues between two countries. Like we can have discussions like this. I mean, we can solve together, sit together, and make a few more laws so that this main problem could be solved, and we could come up with the new solutions and new methods to abolish this cybercrime. Thank you.
New Zealand, you are now invited to ask a question.
Thank you, Chair. I'm interested to ask this question to UK. You said that you've been using the advanced technologies. Consider a situation that these criminals are trying to be advanced than you. So they get to a situation that they have identified the technology more than you. So how could you think that this is going to be success?
Thank you, New Zealand, for the wonderful question. We have implemented each and every officer at each and every hacker's point, and we are gathering every point, and we are raising our strengths and making it build to a strong point. So there is no question of that they can even be better than us. So it's what we are going to do using United Nations as well. Thank you.
I request USA and China to read out the final draft resolution after amendments.
And we appreciate Russia for adding one more amendment to the draft resolution, and this is a fair draft resolution for raising the funds is one more thing we're going to add, and having tech geeks is what our delegates have suggested. And one more thing is an open-ended intergovernmental experts, which is going to add for this. This is a fair resolution which we're going to add for the delegate. Thank you.
Thank you, sponsors. Are there any points on the motion on the floor? Yes, UAE?
I would like to raise a motion for voting procedure to pass a resolution.
That is an order. We now go to move into voting procedure. This requires two-thirds majority to pass. All those in favor for moving the voting procedure, please raise your placards now. All those who oppose. There are 11 delegates, out of which 7 are in favor and 2 are opposing. This draft resolution passes. Congratulations. Are there any points of the motion to stand? Yes, you can.
I would like a motion to be adjourned.
This motion is in order. All delegates wishing to adjourn, please raise your placards now. This motion clearly passes. Thank you, delegates. You may adjourn now.